Hey guys, we're back in the garage once again and got a couple of things going on today. Specifically, I got in my switch. This is going to be used for the windshield washer pump, and you can see it came with a plug-in dongle here, or connector, so it just clips right in. And I think I've decided I'm just going to go ahead and just mount it right over here. Really easy to access. Just drill right through there. Here's my wiring. So this is illuminated, and the ring here illuminates. It's a momentary switch, and it can actually be used for is either a normally open or normally closed operation, depending on what kind of application you have. But got to get that put in. And the other thing is my upper doors from Spike came in. You can see here's some of the hardware that came with it. And then here's the doors themselves. I will say really nice quality doors. And these are, what it is, it's aluminum frames. They put these on here just for shipping. Those will come off. But these can be, the windows are zipped in. And so you can unzip these, roll them up, and there's a catch down here at the bottom. So you can drive with the frames on. These also too, you can unzip these from the doors and actually take them off the frame completely, which I think you're supposed to do as part of the install. So that's what these are. They're nice and light, but still very sturdy. So I've got to get those installed. And then the last thing I've got here is RyFab had sent me out some additional weather stripping to try out on the windshield to close the gap. And that's one of the big things I'm going to be working on today. I'm trying to see what I can do to help close that gap up there. So that's what's going on today, and or really this weekend. We're going into Thanksgiving week, so I won't get all this done today, but definitely over the next week or so, I'll be working on the doors and getting those installed. I know I've got to actually pull the panels off the doors to get the brackets installed. These are nice and sturdy steel. Looks like really good job on the powder coating as well, which is nice. So that's what's coming up. So stay tuned for more. Got another couple of videos that'll be coming out in the next few days, and thanks for watching. All right, guys, I have got the windshield washer all wrapped up. The only thing left to do is do the final aiming, but go ahead and flip the switch on, and you can see got my my ring lit up, and I got blue since it was water basically, because I do have a couple of other switches. This is my horn slash siren, which I actually do have it's a MP3 driver board that's in a little box behind the dash. And then this is my strobe sync down here, and then this is windshield washer. And I thought I was actually getting the smaller form factor switch. This one's a little bit larger, but this is a 19 millimeter. I'll put a link in the description below of this particular switch. This one did come with the wiring dongle, which made it really easy to wire in. I wired it for the LED to always be on, and then for the normally open position, because I want it open, and then when I push it, it will close. So so that's how I've got it wired up. At some point I'll get this aimed up. I need to basically aim the jets a bit higher, but I've got that all wrapped up at this point, and we're good to go. So that's done for electrical. Windshield is done, and then the only thing I've got left to do is I've got my upper doors, which I'll have to disassemble the whole door in order to get those installed. And that'll be a project coming up probably during the Thanksgiving week while I'm taking some time off from work. But that's what's going on, and thanks everyone for watching.